Well, I'm out here in the woods today picking chanterelles, and I mean they're everywhere. There's actually some right there. I don't know if you can see them from here, but another patch right there. It's hot, but I found some black trumpets also. So I'm gonna go up through here and see if I can fill up this 5-gallon bucket. I don't know if I can or not, but I probably can. I picked some yesterday also. No, I'm sorry, it was 2 days ago I picked some, and I come back today to pick some more. So I'm gonna go up through here and see what I can find. There's the artesian well. I'm down here hunting or picking chanterelles like I've been today. Stop here and get a cold drink of water. That's some ice cold water. Years ago that used to shoot way up in the air, but over the years it's broke down out of the sides, so the pressure has went down. But that's some good clean water right there. Found some chanterelles today. I'm gonna use, first time I've done this, I'm gonna use my fish cleaning bucket and see if it'll clean the dirt off rather than washing them in the sink. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how it works out. Well, for the most part, it did a really good job. There's a little bit of dirt left in some of the gills, but not very much. They did a really good job. Instead of trying to wash them things by hand. These little buckets are easy to make. The woods are full of these chanterelles right now.